Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Instagram password if you forgot it. First, open the Instagram app or website. On the login screen, you'll see a Forgot Password link. Tap on this to begin the recovery process. You'll then need to provide your username, email address, or phone number associated with your account. This is the crucial first step to regaining access to your profile. After entering your account details, Instagram will present you with recovery options. You can choose to receive a password reset link via email, a code via SMS to your registered phone number, or even log in through your connected Facebook account. Select the method that is most convenient and accessible to you at this moment. Confirm your choice to move to the next stage of the process. Once you've selected your recovery method, check your email inbox or phone messages for a communication from Instagram. This will contain either a direct link to reset your password or a 6-digit verification code. Click the link or enter the code into the app. You will then be prompted to create a brand new password. Make sure it's strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. To keep your Instagram account secure in the future, always use a strong and unique password. Consider enabling two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code in addition to your password. Regularly update your recovery email and phone number within your Instagram settings. This ensures you can always regain access, even if you forget your password again. Stay safe online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.